This is Panomax meters. What this is gun temperature measurement. With the help of this, I can measure the temperature of this surface. Like if you want to measure the temperature of this AC, so I can just have to push it like this. This one, this should be like this. See, temperature inside this is showing 14 degree. It is 13 degree. This has accurate reading, and now you can see 12 degrees Celsius. Both are the same. Approximately 12 degree, 11 point something. Both here you can see. Now I can check the temperature over here in the hot plate. Now it is showing a different reading on a different surface. Now I can check the temperature inside the water. – 84.8 and 84 degrees Celsius. Water is boiling now. Check the temperature. You can see water is boiling. With the help of this, I can check the temperature. 98.6 degree. Two different meters or Panomax. You can see here. This is for cell. Here, if you want to check in degrees Celsius, then you can keep it here. If you want to check in Fahrenheit, then you have to push it here. Now it will give you the readings in Fahrenheit. See, this is for Fahrenheit, this is for degrees Celsius. We generally put it on degrees Celsius. Now it is on degrees Celsius. Now it is closed. Whenever we will measure the temperature, you can see direct ray is coming over here. The temperature of this wall is 27 degree, which is a room temperature. And for hold, if I push it again, it is a hold button. I can push it like this. It will hold the reading. This meter has a range of 1800 degrees Celsius from -18. You can see this is a part where we can keep our cells. See. Now close it. Now see. This is 28.8 degrees Celsius. Maximum of push button degree Celsius, 299.9 degrees Celsius. This will show you different modes and different readings. Now I can push it here, whatever. Back. Off. Maximum is off. Now we have reset the machine. Now we can check again. See. Now it is showing the point 28.2 degrees Celsius. Light. This is for light. This is in Fahrenheit degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit, not in degrees Celsius. If you want to change it, different readings. This is the average reading. Average. This is showing readings, number of readings I took. It will show directly. It will run. Minimum 5.4 differential. Thanks.